Hi, welcome to MarineMax Dallas. My name is Lyle. Today I'm going to take you on a quick first-person walkthrough on a 2008 Sea Ray 185 Sport that we have available. This model is equipped with a wake tower so you can pull tow sports. It's got the 4.3 liter V6 motor, so plenty of horsepower. This little boat rides like a sports car. Sun lounge pad on the back so you can lay out, relax, catch a tan. Inside in the cockpit we have two captain's chairs, flip up bolsters on the captain's chairs so you can stand up or lean and see over the windshield well. There's your front portion of the seating in the bow. Place for 2 or 3 people up front here. Chill out when you're at anchor. We do have a Bimini for this boat and a cover. It's got wakeboard racks on it. It's got a Clarion head unit in the glove box here. Clarion head unit. It's got kicker speakers in it, subwoofer. Big twin speaker systems on the tower up here, kicker stereo setup. So there's a quick first-person walkthrough on the 2008 Sea Ray 185 Sport. Come by and see us here at MarineMax in Dallas, or you can always catch us at MarineMax.com. Thank you.